Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and others. So let's get started. So before we proceed, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY US dollar. If you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that I focus on DXY very much because I believe that if you really want to make money on Forex, especially on USD pairs, then yes, knowing the movement, knowing the body language of dollar DXY is extremely important. And as we talked about the pattern, DXY has been following on a daily chart, and the pattern is still valid. Though we had NMP yesterday, but yes, market still respected the support on the daily chart, and as a result, the pattern, the swing pattern DXY is following is still very much valid here. So there is a good possibility that in the coming week, market will or DXY will try to recover from here because it will have to complete the pattern as well. So in the coming week, I think that there is a good possibility for dollar that the recovery mode will be on, and yes, if dollar starts going up, then there will be some selling, some pressure on the GBP USD pair. So as of now, okay, DXY looks good. Okay, after this huge fall, there is a possibility for recovery if we consider the present pattern here. Okay, and if we look at the GBP USD now, okay, then we can see the last traded price is 1.3527. This is the last traded price, and we have a resistance zone at 1.3600 to 1.3650. This is a resistance zone for GBP USD here, because you can see market weakness, heavy price rejection here. Then again, in this particular level also market failed to go up. There was some serious price rejections. So in case market goes up and reaches this level also, I will not recommend, okay, I will not suggest any buy position for you in this level, because this is a seller's market, this is a seller's zone here. So if you're a beginner, new trader, then you should be avoiding taking a buy position in this particular level here. But if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for a considerable period of time, then yes, it's your choice. But otherwise, beginners and new traders should not be taking buy position here. And most importantly, this is a resistance zone, and as a result there is a possibility of market reversing from here. So on Monday, Tuesday, if GBP USD tries to recover and reaches the level of 1.3600 and 1.3650, this resistance zone, there is a possibility of market facing selling pressure and reversing. So if market reverses from this level, we can take a sell position. But as I said, okay, as I said, confirmation. Okay, so always look for confirmation. So what is the confirmation? So confirmation will be in the form of a price rejection from above. You may see a shooting star pattern, you may see a bearish pin bar or a bearish engulfing pattern. If you see any of these patterns in this level, then you'll get the confirmation that sellers are still present in this level and you can take a sell position. Okay, so this is your first trading opportunity on the basis of the resistance level on GBP USD. Clear? And on the downside, okay, we have 1.3500, 1.3500. Okay, and this is also our Fibonacci retracement level here. Okay, and we have seen yesterday market was trying to form a temporary support here. So in case of recovering, okay, if GBP USD starts going down, and if we see that it has crossed the level of 1.3500, and if the size of the candle is also good, then we can take a sell position. Why the size of the candle matters? Because the size of the candle signifies the presence of volume in the market. always keep in mind volume is very important for a proper breakout. If you see a breakout but there is no volume, then it could lead to a false breakout, and false breakouts are very dangerous, and they are enemies of traders. Okay, so if you see any breakout kind of a scenario here, if you see market breaking the support and going down, then look for a proper breakout or a big fat red candle. If possible, try to wait for a couple of hours, 2 3 hours, and just see, watch and observe the market. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours market is still facing the same selling pressure, market is not in a position to go up, DXY is also going up. Okay, because DXY, when DXY go up, we generally see GBPUSD going down. So if all the factors lead to selling pressure, okay, if you see that selling is still going on GBPUSD, you can also take a sell position below 1.3500 level. Okay, so confirmation. Okay, confirmation is the insurance of traders. Okay, so wait for confirmation. Once you get a confirmation, you can take a sell position, and keep in mind, if you take a sell position, your take profit target will be this level. Okay, or at least book partial profit in this level. So this move will be of around 50 pips. Okay, that's it. So anyways, this is what is what these are the trading opportunities that I see on the GBP chart for Monday and Tuesday. I'll be coming down on Monday again, and we will discuss after the market opening if there is any huge change in the market. Anyways, you'll see me again on Monday to discuss. Okay, where I'll be discussing the next possible strategies for GBP USD. So as of now, be careful, take care, enjoy the weekend, and see when the market will open. Keep in mind, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So follow strict risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Risk management is supreme. Okay, bye bye. Take care.